Hi, thanks for this opportunity to introduce myself and share a little about me. My name is Sangha Niyogi. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I teach sociology and social justice at DVC. I am a first generation immigrant who was born in India and I've lived most of my adult life in the Bay Area. When I think of overcoming feminine stereotypes, I have to first understand my identity as intersectional. I am a heterosexual, middle class woman of color, and therefore I occupy a space of certain disadvantages, but also some privileges in society. I want to leverage these advantages to build solidarity with other women. I initially reacted to feminine stereotypes by rejecting all things feminine and embracing a tomboy identity. It has taken a long time, and I'm still learning to purge the internalized misogyny and realize the true power of sisterhood. I reject the construct that men are from Mars and women are from Venus. I have a 15-year-old daughter, and for her and for my students, I want to work to build a world where we are all seen as worthy and valuable just as we are.